This is a waterproof case for the DJI Action 3, 4, 5 Pro lines. So my Action 5 Pro claims to be waterproof down to 20 meters. But it's an expensive camera, you don't necessarily want to test that. So this case claims to be waterproof down to 45 meters or 140 some feet. So, if you're going scuba diving, this claims more than that. And it certainly can't hurt to put it inside to give you kind of double protection, even if you're just swimming or snorkeling. So the case has two buttons that activate your on-off and kind of start-stop buttons. And the main O-ring here is on the back. To release that, you pop this, lift that up, the cam kind of pops out, and then you can open this up. Now my Action 5 camera came with this silicone protection ring around the lens, the metal part of the lens here. And so I have to take that off to fit it inside this case. And after I take that off, it fits inside just fine. The case, goes back here. You clip this arm, you catch it, you snap it down. And so that compresses that O-ring all the way around and should make a pretty good seal. So the only thing I'd worry about is maybe some water getting in these buttons. They have some springs that hold them out and some O-rings inside to prevent things from going in and out. Personally, I'm going to turn on the camera before I go in the water, start it recording, and then I'm not going to push those buttons in the water just for safety. Supposedly the buttons work fine underwater, but I'm just going to record the whole thing. And then I'm not going to push those buttons in the water just for safety. Supposedly the buttons work fine underwater, but I'm just going to record the whole thing. So you cannot use the touchscreen controller. While it's in the case. So you need to set up your recording the way you want it to be with the settings you want before you put it in the case. Now the case has here 1/4x20 spots, and so if you're using it with a 1/4x20 handle, you're set for vertical or horizontal recording. If you need to use it with an Action Cam style accessory, they include this Action Cam mount, and they include 4 screws. So you can basically take this guy and it will fit on top of either of those 1/4x20 spots, and there's these 2 screws on the side, and they include this little hex key to put those in, and basically you just tighten this guy down, and then you can attach it to the end of any type of Action Cam mount that you might be using in the water. So they include one of these Action Cam mounts, but they have 4 screws and the screwdriver here, so that basically you can lose 2 of these and still be fine. And you can put that on the side or on the bottom for vertical or horizontal shooting. They do also include one of these guys with this screw in here, so that if you have something that would snap into, that is included in the package. So it definitely fits. It looks like it should be quite waterproof. So this was sent to me to review for free. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $19.99.